Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Feminine Station. Hope you all are doing well. So today in my video I am going to talk about how you can care for your nails. So you can see that in the back section of my nails there is a white thin layer particles, and it is just similar to the white layer of dandruff on our scalp. It is just look like that. And this why this happen is just because when we apply some amount of cream to our hands, that cream does not reaches our back section of our nails, and so this dryness dry that skin is formed on the back section of our nails. And how to care for this, and what will happen that after this thin layer you will see that the glow of your nails will gradually decrease, and the growth of the nail will grow very slow. So how you can fight with this kind of thing is just easier. What all you need is 5 drops of honey. I have taken 5 drops of honey, and after that I am going to add this Eon 400 capsule in it. So I have taken one capsule. So after taking it, I am going to mix it up with the help of a earbud. So what will happen that this mixture will help you in getting your nails clean very easily. And what the honey will do, it is featuring that your glow of your nails will come back. You will see that the glow of my nails is gradually decreasing. So yes, the glow of your nails will come back with the help of this honey. And this capsule, vitamin E capsule, will help your nails to grow and to give you nails a best support. So I am going to apply this mixture with the earbuds. This will moisturize my nails. Everything needs some moisturization, so why don't we shouldn't moisturize our nail? We should do it. All you need to do is that you should apply this twice in a week, and you can also keep this mixture like this for 2 days. So yeah, you can see I have applied it on my nails, on the front section and as well as on the back section. This will help to remove the dead skin also, and it feel very irritating in having a long nails and that white kind of things on your nails. It's look very ugly. So to avoid that, you should use this 1 capsule, 400 capsule, the vitamin E capsule, or you can use any kind of vitamin E capsule, and 4 to 5 drops of honey. And you need to keep it for 5 minutes. After that you should wash it off, and it will moisturize your nails. It will give the nails glow back. Honey is very good for your nails because it will give that nail the glow. So I am back, so you can see the shine of my nails, the glossiness of my nails. So try this at your home, and this will give your nails a beautiful shine, and as well as it will help the nails to grow. So try this at your home and do it twice a week to get a good result. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.